In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to a report in Salesforce. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or ensure you always have the latest data at your fingertips, subscribing to a report can be a game changer. So let's dive into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Reports section in Salesforce. This is your central hub for all existing reports and is where you'll select the report you'd like to subscribe to. Take a moment to browse through and choose the one that will best meet your needs. Once you've identified the report, shift your focus to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot an Edit button, but what you need to look for is the small drop-down arrow adjacent to it. Click on this arrow and you'll find an option labeled Subscribe. Go ahead and select that option. At this stage, you'll be greeted with a variety of configuration options to tailor your subscription to your specific requirements. The beauty of subscriptions lies in these customizable settings, so let's explore them together. First, consider the frequency of the updates. Salesforce provides flexibility here, allowing you to decide how often you want to receive updated reports. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, it entirely depends on how promptly you need access to your data. After setting the frequency, the next step is to specify the days of the week when you want the updates to land in your inbox. For example, if you only need access at the beginning of the work week, you can simply select Monday or any combination of days that aligns with your workflow. Next up is the time of day when you'd like to receive the report. This can be crucial for aligning with your work schedule. Whether it's starting your day with fresh data or reviewing it over lunch, the choice is yours. Additionally, you have the option to receive the report as an attachment. This can be particularly helpful if you need to review the report offline or share it with colleagues who might prefer it in that format. Let's move on to recipients. You can add multiple colleagues to receive the report, ensuring everyone is updated with the latest information. Keep in mind that recipients will view the report data as it's tailored to your configuration. Also consider whether to run the report as yourself or from the perspective of another team member, which can be handy if roles or permissions differ within your organization. If you need an even more customized approach, there's an optional section to set specific conditions that trigger the report. This means reports will only be sent when certain criteria are met, adding another layer of flexibility. Once you're satisfied with all these settings, simply click Save. And there you have it. You're now subscribed to receive your report straight to your inbox precisely when you need it.